the naming, where we come up with such names as Lone Wolf and Conch Shell. Unfortunately, that one did not make the cut. Amber glow too.
Full shot. Good deal.
All right.
Moonlit Frost.
Pearl ombre.
Pearl ombre. A collection.
Ariana Grande.
Iris.
Oh, coffee helped. I really
Oh.
needed it.
Name.
Is that decaf hitting?
Decaf's hitting hard.
Like some like actual toners, like a blonde, like something, you know.
Why can't you just call it Stonewashed?
Pebble Blonde.
Zoe Headband Stonewashed.
Pebble Beach Blonde.
Pebble Beach Blonde.
Pebble
Pebble
Beach.
Beach Blonde. We got there! Actually will keep me from rattling across the airport too much. Close her up, guys.